Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this tutorial, we will introduce the different timing rules within your modules and how to set them, and introduce the different types of notifications within modules and how to add them. By default, all modules added to an intervention are available to the participants once the study begins. However, you may want to set specific timers to a module. The timing rules are tools that you can use in order to set a specific time frame for a module. For instance, a participant can only start with the second module only 3 days after she or he has completed the first module. Similarly, notifications can be used to notify participants when the module is open, about to close, or as a reminder. Let's start by creating your first timing rule. After creating your study, you will land on the study home page. From the study home page, open the intervention page. Open an intervention. Click on the Modules tab on the upper right side. Find the module that you want to add it, and click on the timer icon. You will land on the Timing Rules tab. Click on Enable Timing Rules. The Timing Rules tab will appear with the options for your first timing rule. Click first whether you would like to set a time for opening or closing. Depending on the option of open or close module, the rules can be different. Open modules have 6 types of rules, and closed modules have 3 types of rules. Let's start with the open module timing rules first. On the relative time after intervention started opens the module after a certain time has passed since the participant has started the intervention. Here you only need to specify the time settings for when you want the module to begin after the intervention has started. On the relative time after a module has finished releases the module after a certain amount of time has passed after the participant has completed a previous module. Therefore, 2 actions need to be taken. First, you need to define the time settings for when the module should start, and then choose which module you wish to use as a trigger module. When a module hasn't been finished, opens the participant's unfinished module. Choose which module you wish to use as a trigger module. Based on an answer in a module item, opens a module based on the answer of a previous module. Here you need to select the module item, the condition, and the specific answer that you want to use as a trigger. On a fixed date opens a module on a specified date and time. Finally, based on a calculated variable opens a module based on a calculated variable that you have set up. Click on the calculated variable, select the condition, and select the value. Now let's look at the closed module timing rules. Based on an answer in a module item, closes a module based on the answer of a previous module. You need to select the module item, the condition, and the specific answer that you want to use as a trigger. On a fixed date closes a module on a specified date and time. Based on a relative time after module has started, closes the module after a specific amount of time has passed after the participant has started the module. For both open and closed module, you can add another condition to the same rule. Just click on Add Condition. To add a different timing rules, simply click on Add Timing Rule and repeat the process. You can add multiple rules to the same module. Once you have made your choice, click Save. Your timing rule has now been set. You can also send notifications to your participants for a specific module. Select the Notifications tab. You can use the notifications functions to communicate a custom message to your participants. To send notifications, select the type of notification that you would like to add. Either a notification notifies the participant when the module has opened, closed, or a reminder notification to remind participants to fill in the module. Only if closed module timing rule was previously set for your module, with the exception of based on an answer on a module item, you will see the option to send closed notifications to your participants. Enter notification text of your choosing. For both close and reminder notification, you can choose to send a notification based on a time period or a specific date. Set the time of your preference and click Save. You can add multiple notifications at once. Your notifications are now set. In this tutorial video, we have introduced the different timing rules within your module and how to set them, and introduce the different types of notifications within modules and how to add them. Find more tutorials and information at the links below. See you in the next video.